Bloodthirsty birds, dangerous and deadly predators. Feathers, beaks, and blood may not be a conventional trio. However, nature is brimming with oddities and the avian kingdom is no exception. The term bird often brings to mind images of creatures like sparrows and robins, hummingbirds, and peacocks. The concept of birds being predators, let alone bloodthirsty and deadly, is a startling divergence from the norm. However, it is this very divergence that invites an exploration into the world of bloodthirsty birds, dangerous and deadly predators. Predatory birds. Defining characteristics and adaptations. Understanding the predatory nature of certain birds starts with understanding their biological design. Avian predators are equipped with keen senses and powerful tools for hunting. Most predatory birds, also known as raptors, share three primary characteristics: exceptional vision, sharp talons, and a hooked beak. Their exceptional vision allows them to spot potential prey from remarkable distances. Their sharp talons are their primary tool for killing and holding onto their prey, and their hooked beaks are used for tearing flesh. Additionally, these birds are adapted for stealth and speed. Silent flight is an adaptation seen in several species, most notably owls, which allows them to approach prey undetected. Similarly, birds like falcons have adapted for incredible speed, stooping onto their prey from high altitudes. 2. Iconic birds of prey. Eagles. Eagles are one of the most powerful predators in the avian world. These majestic birds are renowned for their size, strength, and hunting prowess. The harpy eagle, for instance, is capable of hunting and carrying off prey as large as monkeys and sloths. The golden eagle, another notable example, can swoop down at speeds up to 200 miles per hour and has been known to hunt animals like foxes and even young deer. Owls. These nocturnal predators are known for their stealth and precision. They possess the remarkable ability to fly silently, largely due to the special serrations on the edge of their flight feathers. The great horned owl, with its powerful talons and stealthy approach, can take down prey larger than itself, such as skunks and ospreys. Falcons. Falcons are synonymous with speed. The peregrine falcon is known to reach speeds of up to 240 miles per hour during a high-speed stoop, making it the fastest animal on Earth. These birds are designed to strike with immense speed and precision, often killing or incapacitating their prey on impact. Vultures. Vultures, although not typically hunters, are infamous for their feeding habits. Equipped with a sharp beak and talons, they feed primarily on carrion and have a potent stomach acid that allows them to digest decaying meat without contracting diseases. 3. Less known, yet equally deadly birds. Not all dangerous birds are raptors. For instance, the southern cassowary, native to the rainforests of Australia and New Guinea, is not a bird of prey, but it is among the world's most dangerous birds. It possesses dagger-like claws on its feet, and when threatened, can lash out with a kick capable of causing serious, potentially fatal injuries. Similarly, the African crowned eagle is an incredibly powerful and deadly predator. It is one of the few birds of prey known to regularly hunt primates, and there are documented cases of these eagles killing human children, a testament to their power and potential for deadly impact. IV. The role of predatory birds in ecosystems. Beyond their bloodthirsty reputations, predatory birds play an essential role in maintaining balance in their ecosystems. They serve as apex predators, controlling populations of small mammals, reptiles, and other birds. This regulatory function prevents overpopulation and supports biodiversity. Eagles, for example, control populations of rodents and other small mammals. Owls contribute to the management of pests by feeding on rodents and insects. Vultures, while not hunting live prey, are vital for cleaning up carrion, preventing the spread of diseases. Moreover, predatory birds also contribute indirectly to plant propagation. By preying on herbivorous creatures, they help control the consumption of vegetation, thereby enabling plant life to thrive. In other words, predatory birds have a significant cascading effect on their ecosystems, influencing everything from population control to plant proliferation. Threats to predatory birds and conservation efforts. Despite their top-tier position in the food chain, many predatory bird species are threatened by habitat loss, pollution, climate change, and direct persecution. Habitat loss due to deforestation, urban development, and changes in land use is one of the primary threats to these species. Furthermore, pollution, particularly pesticide contamination, poses severe risks. For instance, during the mid-20th century, the peregrine falcon and the bald eagle populations in the United States faced near extinction due to the widespread use of the pesticide DDT, which caused shell thinning and subsequently egg breakage. Efforts are being made globally to conserve these incredible creatures. Legal protections, such as the Migratory Bird Treaty Act in the U.S., have been implemented. In addition, organizations like the Raptor Conservation Foundation and BirdLife International are working towards habitat preservation, research, and education. Moreover, successful reintroduction programs have helped revive dwindling populations. The peregrine falcon and the bald eagle have both made remarkable recoveries since the ban on DDT, highlighting the success of these efforts. Conclusion. The world of bloodthirsty birds, dangerous and deadly predators, is one fraught with incredible adaptations, deadly abilities, and a fascinating interplay with the environment. These birds, armed with keen vision, sharp talons, and formidable beaks, are some of the most efficient predators on the planet. Yet, these creatures are not just the embodiment of predatory prowess. They are also vital components of their ecosystems, playing a crucial role in population control and contributing significantly to biodiversity. Despite facing threats, their resilience and the ongoing conservation efforts provide a beacon of hope for their survival. In the end, these bloodthirsty birds are not just symbols of danger and death but are also emblematic of life's interconnectedness and the delicate balance of nature. They are a testament to the variety and complexity of life on Earth, offering us an incredible spectacle of nature's prowess and prompting us to ponder our role in their conservation.